It was a volatile session on the Lal Street, with the Sensex as well as the Nifty really ending the day on a flat note. Markets shed gains after the WPI numbers came out today, and the Bank Nifty, though, supported the index, gaining almost 2%. Let's go straight across to Aisha Faridi, joining us with a detailed wrap on the market action. Aisha?
Well, a hugely volatile session. That's how we've kick-started the week on a very choppy note. So what got off to a gap-up start in line with the rest of the globe, the summer's rally was intact, but couldn't quite maintain that. So started off nudging the 6,000 mark and finally saw 58.15 thereabouts as well in intraday session, and finally closed in at that 58.40 mark for itself on the index. It was the case for the broader markets as well. About a 0.5 to 0.6 of a percent cut coming in for the mid as well as the small cap indices. To the sectoral movers first. Today the Bank Nifty was fairly divergent as compared to the frontline indices to manage to lap up almost 2% gains. However, it had its share of volatility throughout today's trading session, but gain on closing basis. The other indices which held out sectorally were FMCG as well as autos. On the flip side, metals, IT, real estate and healthcare gave up their gains. To the losers first from the frontline indices, and Ranbaxy clearly was the one which really got sliced hard, almost a 35% cut. That was the kind of intraday low that you were seeing on Ranbaxy. BHL, HCL Technologies, Ultratech Cement, Sequoia, Lupin, Grasim as well as Tata Power were the losers in trade. On the flip side, gains coming in for BPCL, IndusInd Bank, Maruti Suzuki, Bharti, ICICI Bank as well as Power Grid. To the pressure points from the broader markets then, HDI, Financial Technologies, Indiabulls Real Estate, Lanco Infra, Opto Circuits as well as Wockhardt. So clearly the pressure was concentrated towards the high beta and real estate pockets when it came to the broader markets. Let's see where tomorrow takes us after what's been a disappointing session in trade today. We'll catch you again with all the market action tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. on Trading Calls.